before he married. So maybe about 7 he become famous. They're all singing together.
I might go see tomorrow, okay, yes, in addition to fallout.
Outside, the garden is coming alive. As a wildlife filmmaker, I view you a recreation center. Discovering the secret life of bees took me over.
Look, so much stairs.
Kiran.
Guys, let's go in the room. Upside down in my new car. Guys, look, this is Best Western. Guys, this is Best Western Harbor Yard Hotel San Diego. So let's do a room tour. Okay, come here. So this is the closet, and that's ironing machine, and these are hangers, and this is like where you put it outside and dry your clothes, and this is the bathroom. They give us shower cap and this soap that smells like cinnamon, and they give us a coffee machine. And guys, look, this is the bathroom, nice and clean. That's why I love Best Western. And guys, look. And now let me show you. These beds are so well organized. And there's this microwave, this TV, and that's my backpack, and that's the sofa. And this is like a desk where you like sit down and study. And now let me show you something cool. Go outside. Look guys, there's 2 chairs. And you can see the pool from down. Now let's go back inside and explore more. Oh my. So, good here. Okay, so that was my room tour review, and this is Harbor City, West Western Harbor City and San Diego. So I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye! Sorry, this is Best Western Harbor Yard Hotel in San Diego. Bye! Make sure to like and subscribe this video.